Gyvtec Ltd supply and install high-quality liquid screed products for a perfectly finished smooth and level floor every time. Gyvtec Ltd works across England and Wales with building companies and contractors of all sizes for both residential, industrial and commercial builds, as well as being available for home DIY projects. Capable of providing large quantities of pumped liquid screed at short notice, Gyvtec Ltd is your one-stop solution for all your liquid screed and underfloor heating requirements. Gyvtec Ltd are here to help and advise you on your project from start to finish, so call us today on 01452 689 449 or click the Get a Free Quote button below this video. If you are watching this video on smartphone, press the Click to Call button below this video and speak directly to Dave, Chris, Sarah or Claire at Gyvtec right now.